Hola, señoras y señoritas. Welcome to English CP Cinco de Mayo edition. Okay, I hope you guys are having a great day today. So, first thing you're going to do is fill out the attendance form, of course. And hola, señoras y señoritas. Welcome to English CP Cinco de Mayo edition. Today, we are going to do weekly writing number 5 of Mice and Men. So before we jump into it, your homework for tomorrow, or I'm sorry, for Thursday, is going to be read chapter 6, finish the book, and you're going to finish your weekly writing if you don't finish it today by 10 a.m. Thursday. And don't forget your reading log number 30 due Sunday night, May 10th. So first things first, always, you're going to fill out your attendance form. This is for CP6, could be CP6, CP5. Tell us what the origin of the Mexican holiday Cinco de Mayo is. Very interesting. Okay, after that, you're going to, of course, click on the Zoom link, and then you'll be saying hello to Miss Lametica and myself, and you're going to go into weekly writing number 5. Weekly writing number 5 for Cinco de Mayo number 5. So you're going to take a question, of course, from your anticipation guide, one of the ones that you have not used yet. You are going to use that as the basis for your weekly writing. And as always, you're going to write a nice paragraph. Topic, sentence, context, evidence, analysis, all the way down, do that again, to the conclusion. And when you are done, you're going to fill out the exit ticket. I will put it up 5 minutes before the end of class. If you do not finish it, it's due Thursday at 10. We'll see you in a sec. Bye.